Children, let's learn some colors name. Orange, pink, blue, red, brown, purple, orange, pink, blue, red, brown. See here also. Pink, brown, red, orange, blue. Now we are going to write numbers. I'll be using brown and red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0 is 10. Red color. 9, 10. Now 11. How we write 11? 1 makes 11. 12. 1, 2, 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. After 19 is 20. How we write 20? 2, 0, 20. Let's say once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Bye-bye.